Today we're here at United Community. VolunteerFest is a program that's put together every year through Volunteer Fairfax, and we have 450 volunteers throughout the county doing over 30 projects.
So United Community distributes fresh produce every month to people in need in our community, and we receive the food through the Capital Area Food Bank and have volunteers come out and help distribute to families. They come out and can receive 20 pounds plus of fresh produce. Volunteer Fairfax has their annual Volunteer Fest, and today it corresponded with our Saturday mobile market, so we're pleased to be joined by the fabulous volunteers from Volunteer Fairfax and RSVP who help make this distribution possible to people in our community.
Daniel's Run is a demonstration school for teaching how students can use a living classroom to encourage curiosity about the subjects that they're being taught. So having the clear paths and having areas that are clear so that the students can move around in there, the students have an area to gather so the teachers can teach in there, all of those things are critical to making a living classroom functional. So without the volunteers, we cannot maintain the living classroom, thus we cannot use it. So you see, it's critical work that they're doing here today.
Volunteering is so vital to the community because without volunteers, most of these organizations can't do what they need to do to help individuals. If people are interested in volunteering in Fairfax County, they can go to volunteerfairfax.org, or if they're 55 and better, they can go to rsvpnova.org.